Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is for just educational purpose only. We are not your financial advisor. You can do your proper research. In today's video, we are going to share about the token OMNIPHOENIX. Yes, this is now listed on the Pump.fun and you can check out here the information about their market cap that has crossed 639k dollar, and there is also the last 24-hour percentage have been expanded to positive. And here you can also understand how we can also get the analysis of the chart on the pump fund. You can easily come here and join to get all the information, but if you want to be one of the holders, you can easily come on the pump fund, and here you can also connect to the wallet if you want to start the trade on the OMNIPHOENIX. For that you can also use here trust wallet, Google, or to make your account on the pump fund. Here I have selected web3 wallet, that is trust wallet, where we have to write password to get access to the asset that we will use to hold the token OMNIPHOENIX. Wallet is also going to concern with the Solana wallet, and Solana chain will also be connected to this pump fund. And here you can also check, click confirm in your wallet if you want to convert or you want to connect your trust wallet to the pump fund. This is the third step that we have to complete, and after the confirmation, it will be successfully connected. You can also make your account like this, and now you can also put the number. If you have $1,000, then how much token in the OMNIPHOENIX you can grab. There is also the given, like here is also the chart details, how many Solana for $1,000, and there is also OMNIPHOENIX token that can be grabbed here. There are voice chat too, and there is, you can also get some creative reward, and even you can join them OMNIPHOENIX chat group too. So this can also be helpful if you want to see the number of their holders. Then here is also all these details, how many people already participated and they grabbed the token. In this way you can also check out this token and many other. You can also come on the Omni Trading Academy live with Oscar. Yes, this can also be helpful if you are beginner or pro. You can also get here meeting, you can chat with the Oscar who have a lot of experience, and now they're in this academy with the 39-year experienced. This is a vast time where you can get in short term their experienced trainers flash updates on this ecosystem live trading room. And obviously an experienced professional trader can teach you very well. Instead you do go research for many years, and there already 1400 professional trained already with 35-year experience. This can also be helpful. Now you can open your membership to live with Oscar, and here is trader reviews, such detail you can easily check out here, some news article and big brand partners. So if you want to create your account, you can easily log in your account on the live with Oscar. You can create your account using your first name, last name, email, phone number, and desired username and password. In this way you can also verify your email. In this way you can log into your dashboard. Once you log into this platform, now Oscar's chat room, get daily Omni update. Chat with live Oscar in this room. You can join Oscar main trading room, Omni Camp alumni room. You can easily join one of them room, and here are many people. You can see they are live and they are also doing meeting on it. There is also the chat. You can easily do your text any question query you want to ask. So in this way you can also come with such a way, and you can get your token on pump fund to spot. I hope you understand everything that we have shared it to you. If you still have any question, you can ask in our comment box your thought. I will appreciate. See you next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.